Karim Sadek, the managing director of the company's transportation division, says Qalaa is investing heavily in a new subsidiary which will complement RVR by handling cargo at the port of Mombasa in Kenya. In neighboring South Sudan, Qalaa, through its Nile logistics arm, plans to acquire additional handling equipment for its river transport and marine port businesses. Its service, operating a fleet of barges between the north and south of the oil-producing nation, was disrupted in December 2013 when a power struggle in the ruling party sparked civil war. He said spending by Qalaa this year in South Sudan will probably reach $35 million. Qalaa, formerly known as CITADEL Capital (SAE), in April bought the 34% stake that the Kenyan-based TransCentury Limited's Safari Rail company owned in RVR, raised its shareholding to 85%. CITADEL first acquired a minority interest in RVR in 2010. Since then, it's led investments to upgrade hundreds of kilometers of tracks, rehabilitate rolling stock, and restore service on a rail section in Uganda that was idle for 2 decades. Meanwhile, captains of industry and government will travel up a Swiss mountain this week for the World Economic Forum's annual meeting in Davos, with one hefty task on their minds: how to make the world a better place.
People are looking at confidence around the macroeconomic conditions and how that compares with geopolitical risk. So people want to know, is the economy really sort of robust on the global stage? What's happening in the US? What's happening in China? The oil prices are going to be a key topic, not just in terms of what's actually happening to oil prices, but how they're being used, for example, to stimulate growth, but also being used as a geopolitical tool for those countries that have got particular sort of weight on oil as a key lever in their sort of economic